How to log into wellsfargo.com online. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you may follow up the step. So you may head over to any of your preferred browser first and then you can type in Wells Fargo in the search bar and you can directly head over the first official website, which is wellsfargo.com, and open it up. And then once you open it up, you should be finding an interface. So you can directly look out for the sign in option or login option, navigate to that option. Usually it is located at the top right corner. You can find a sign in option. You can just go ahead and locate that up and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be taken to the sign in page. Now all you gotta do in order to basically log in is use up your credentials. So you need to enter up your username of your Wells Fargo bank account. After that, your password in the password section. After that, you can even save up your username so that you won't be having any hassle the next time you log in. Once that is done, you can tap on sign in option on your screen and you should be signed in. For authentication process, you may need to enter a 6-digit code. Other than that, once you have done that, once you've used your credentials, you will be directly logged in into Wells Fargo. So this is how you basically log in into Wells Fargo. Otherwise, you can use a passkey as well. If you have forgotten your username or password, you should be finding forgot username or password section, which will help you reset your password or username. And that's it. This is how you basically log in into Wells Fargo Bank online very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.